Welcome to LoveLiveSave. If you're anything like me, you got really excited for that $5 off 20 P&G coupon that we got a couple days ago in the Dollar General app. I could not wait to put together some couponing deals for you. So here are 10 Dollar General 5 off of 20 P&G couponing deals that you can do any day this week. Awesome. I love doing those kind of deals. Now, before we get started, if you could do me a huge favor, I would greatly appreciate it. Please show this deal video some love. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment down below. I always try to respond to your comments. And share this deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn to save a little bit of extra money in coupon. That way I can make sure these deals get out to them and they can save money too. So let's get started. Now, you're going to notice a lot of the couponing deals in today's deal video are laundry products and clean products. And the reason why, for some weird reason, I don't know why they do this, the 5 off of 20 P&G coupon is for household and baby products. And I want to say one other category. I can't remember what it was. So unfortunately, we couldn't work in any of the Crest or anything like that because that is considered personal care. But there's still a lot of really great deals. It's an awesome time to stock up on these house care cleaning products. So in this first couponing deal, you're going to want to grab 1 bottle of the Downy Scent Booster beads, 1 bottle of the Dawn Easy Squeeze dish soap. I would love for us to get some more high value coupons for this, by the way. I like keeping it, by the way, and I don't know why I keep saying by the way. I apologize. I like keeping one in my laundry room because it is a great stain pre-treater. Highly recommend. Then grab 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods and finally 1 box of Gain dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.10 plus tax for a 48% off savings. I've had a couple people recently ask me for Tide Pods coupons, well, laundry pods in general, and because Tide Pods is a P&G product, I knew I was going to try and work some magic. So in this one, grab 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods and finally one of those big tubs, well, not the really big tubs, but a tub of the $15.95 size Tide Pods. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $14.85 plus tax for 43% off savings. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's not necessarily the lowest out of pocket, and you're right, but it's still a really great deal. You're paying less, $1 plus less than the full retail value of the tub of Tide Pods alone, and it's basically like you're getting the bag of them for free. And in my book, that is still a really great deal. Our next couple of couponing deals are going to help you stock up on Dreft laundry detergent. If that is an item that you like using for your family, I promise you this is a great time to stock up on it. We have that $3.05 coupon, which is relatively high value, and there's just some great couponing magic going on with it. So in this next deal, grab 1 bottle of Dreft baby laundry detergent and 1 of the Febreze plug boosters. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $7.45 plus tax for a fabulous 64% off savings. And then our next deal, we're going to grab 1 bottle of Dreft laundry detergent again, grab 1 bag of the Love's diapers, these are the soft packs, and a single count pack of Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to $11.40 plus tax for 48% off savings. And I always try to make sure I mention this. This is a really great example of just because you don't have a coupon for something doesn't mean you still can't score a great deal. Unfortunately, we don't have a coupon for the individual packs of the Love's diapers this week, but we still scored a great deal. We're paying just a little bit more than the full retail of the Dreft laundry detergent, and we're basically getting the diapers and the Febreze small spaces for free. So that is still a great deal in my book. Now, we may not have an individual coupon for the Love's diapers, but we have this fantastic 5 off of 2 bags of Love's diapers coupons. I do not remember the last time I saw a coupon this high value. This is definitely your sign. If this is an item that you use in your household, please don't let this coupon expire if you can. Such an awesome deal. So in this one, grab 2 packs of Love's diapers, again, the soft packs, and 1 small bottle of Gain laundry detergent. After all coupons, y'all, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to this $9 even plus tax for a 56% off savings. Whew. Awesome deal. Awesome, awesome deal. Next up, we're going to stock up on some really great laundry products because there are a decent amount of laundry care products that we have. Not only they're attaching to the P&G coupon, but we have coupons on top of it, which is a double bonus. So in this deal, grab one box of Gain dryer sheets. This is the size that is $4.50. One small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, a small bottle of Gain fabric softener, and finally, one of the smaller size bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.95. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.30 plus tax for a 52% off savings. I totally forgot I had another couponing deal for just the individual packs of Love's diapers, so here you go. Grab one pack of Love's diapers, a small box of Gain dryer sheets, one of the small bottles of Downy Scent Booster Beads for $5, and a single count pack of Febreze Small Spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.90 plus tax for a 52% off savings. I had so much fun writing this next couponing deal. I know it's a super basic one, only has 2 items in it, but I was just talking with one of my friends that coupons the other day. Do y'all remember when the 5 off of the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 30 Gain coupon, when it used to attach to the basic box of Cascade dishwasher tablets? Y'all, I did not know how good we had it when we had it. I will forever and ever regret not stocking up on more of that when we had that. But again, Cascade is a P&G product and we do have a coupon for it. So I was quick to try and see if we could lower our out of pocket. And that Febreze Plug and Booster definitely helps make that magic happen. So grab one Febreze Plug Booster and one tub of the Cascade Platinum dishwasher tablets. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $10.25 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Here's another really great deal if you want to stock up on those tubs of Tide Pods. I love stocking up on these. They are so much easier to store on my stockpile shelves than the soft bags. Just a personal opinion. And you can repurpose the containers afterwards. So bonus. In this one, grab one tub of Tide Pods for $15.95 and a 2-count pack of the Febreze Small Spaces because that $2.30 coupon that we have also attaches to the 2-count pack. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $10.15 plus tax for a 53% off savings. Now, if you enjoyed today's deal video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment, share the deal video with your friends and family members. I promise it is one of the most awesome and freest ways to support my channel. I promise you it makes a huge difference. Greatly appreciate it. I would really love it if you could do that. So in this last deal, grab one bottle of Downy Scent Booster Beads, a 2-count pack of Febreze Small Spaces, a small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, and one of the small bags of Tide Pods. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $9.65 plus tax for a 55% off savings. Now, side note, do any of you remember when we used to get that $2 off coupon for the yellow bags of Tide Pods that made them only 95 cents? Whew, I would be so over the moon excited if that coupon came back. I've been waiting a couple years. It's probably not going to happen, but awesome deal. I so miss it. Now, if you're still looking for even more dollar general couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete dollar general couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more dollar general couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pockets deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.